Hello, my beautiful ladies. It's Greta here, ladies relationship coach. And today the topic for you ladies is how to get him fall in love with you. I would actually like to rephrase it and call it how to be in a happy relationship where you both value, respect each other and fulfill each other's needs. But I know how to get him fall in love with you is more catchy topic. But saying how to be in a happy and healthy relationship, it kind of sounds a bit more high value. So let's go with that. So in this video, I will share with you 5 tips on how to make him fall in love with you or how to be in a happy and healthy relationship. So the first tip is let him feel like a man and let him be the man. Let him charm you, let him pursue you, let him come after you. Let him be the giver and ladies, you be the receiver. These men are supposed to be the givers. We are supposed to be the protectors. So let him be the giver and you be a receiver. So he calls you, you pick up. He texts you, you reply. Please just be feminine, be nice, kind, and reply when he does pursue you. When he gives you presents, takes you out, or treats you like a queen that you are. Be appreciative. Say thank you. Ladies, it's all about the masculine and feminine energy. And the happy relationship is all about complementing each other with the masculine and feminine energy. If he's having a lot of masculine energy and you pursuing him, you're chasing him, you're texting him, you're asking him out, you're coming with the masculine energy too. And what happens here? It does not work. And here we are to complement each other, not to copy one another. Ladies, copying each other does not work. Ladies, I would really recommend you to watch my video how to text a guy, because we communicate majority of the time through phone and through texting. So it's really important to nail it right. And you can find that video just by following the link right here. The second tip that I would like to give you ladies is enjoy the moment. Try not to have expectations. Try not to think about the future too much. Just enjoy the moment. I know so many girls, we go on 1 date, on 2 dates, on 3 dates, and we go like, oh my God, he's perfect, he's Mr. Right. I never met a guy like this before. And it's not true. He's not perfect. He's not Mr. Right. He's not the most amazing guy on earth. He's got his faults. He's just trying to charm you so you would like him. The only thing that he probably is nailing at in the beginning, and this is why you're getting so hooked, is because he knows the sales strategies really well. Literally, the sales strategies. The power of seduction is flattery and promises, being a gent, right? If he's nailing these 3, you're thinking he's Mr. Right. He's not. He's just nailing these strategies to impress you so you will like him, which is another strategy. Ladies, watch my video on games men play on women, and I talk in there about the sales strategies that he's applying on you. You can find that video just by following the link right here. At the same time, ladies, there is nothing wrong with that. It's really nice. Just enjoy the moment and try not to have expectations. Try not to think about the future too much. Just take it slowly, step by step. And over the long period of time, this is when you will truly get to know the real him. The third tip, ladies, how to get a man to fall in love with you or how to have a healthy and happy relationship is control your emotions. Don't go crazy. Don't start to act needy, clingy, controlling, possessive, insecure, and so on. It's very important. It's a huge turn off. When he is teasing you or is pushing your buttons and you're reacting, you're going emotionally crazy, you're getting jealous, you start screaming or shouting, becoming very aggressive, very strong, demanding, that's all loss of emotional control. Ladies, when you're losing emotional control and whether you're acting angry or you're crying or you're screaming and shouting or you're being upset, in all the ways here, you are losing the power. You are in power, you are calm and collected. When you're angry, you're losing it. When you're crying, you're losing it. Ladies, he will respect calm and collected over the angry or upset. How does that work? Get my ebook, which is called Ways Men Test Women, and I talk there all about emotional control. How not to react when he's teasing you, how not to react to his games, how not to react to his manipulation, what is needy, controlling, possessive, insecure, how to not be that so his attraction towards you only goes up. And you can get that ebook just by following the link right here. The fourth tip on how to get a guy fall in love with you or how to have a happy and healthy relationship is set in the boundaries. Ladies, you must set in the boundaries before you even go on a date with him. All right, the boundaries are one of the most important things. And what do I mean before you even go on a date with him? For example, let's say online dating, or maybe you met him somewhere in a bar, in a club, or he chatted you up on the street or something, right? And he says, oh, let's go for a coffee. Right? How do you set in a boundary? How do you show him, actually, I would love to go for a coffee, but I value and respect my time and I have other things to do. So if you want to take me for a coffee, please let me know in advance. Just please let me know in advance because I'm really busy. This is how you set in a boundary before you even go on a date with him. You set in the tone for the relationship, not him. But then you need to keep it up in order for him to value your time and to respect you. Ladies, without respect, there is no love. If you do not respect yourself, a man is not going to respect you either. Learn how to set the healthy boundaries in a relationship. Lucky for you, I have a video for that, which is called How to Get a Man to Respect You. And you can find that video just by following the link right here. In that video, ladies, I'm breaking every single thing down for you. Ladies, the fifth way on how men fall in love or how to have a happy and healthy relationship is we need to learn about the opposite sex, what his needs are, how to fulfill his love needs, how to bring out the best in him. Because men and women are not the same. And actually, men do invest their time at learning about us. This is why they come to us, they give us flattery, promises, and we are acting like gents. Right? Do we give each other flattery and promises and act like gents? No, we only give that to women, right? Which means we learn about us. We learn how this works. So why don't we ladies learn about them too and apply it in the relationship so he is happy and you are happy? So ladies, you must learn the differences between men and women and how to fulfill each other's love needs, such as why men need uncertainty, why men need to pull away, why men love to play games, and actually why it's a natural thing for a guy to play games. Ladies, please watch my video for a start, why men need to pull away, and which you can find just by following the link right here. So when he is pulling away from you, you're not freaking out or panicking, but you're behaving the correct way, so his attraction towards you only goes up. And the sixth tip, ladies, is be a queen. Put yourself first. A guy is looking for a queen. A guy is looking for a princess. Same as you're looking for that Prince Charming. A guy is not looking for a helper in the castle. A guy is looking for that queen which sits with the crown on her head. What does a queen do? Queen puts her goals, her kingdom first. What does a helper in a castle do? She is looking after everyone. She is giving. She is cooking, cleaning, and so on. People treat the helpers in a castle. They take them for granted. How do people treat a queen in a castle? They respect, value, cherish, and adore her, right? This happens because being a queen, you're actually fulfilling his love needs, because men love a challenge. Men love a challenge because men have a need for uncertainty. So when you're naturally putting yourself first, when you're naturally putting your kingdom, goals, dreams, and ambitions first, this is how he falls for you. Ladies, please watch my video how to be a challenge for a guy, that you can find just by following the link right here. So ladies, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what did you think. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join Greta's High Value Women's School. It's a free Facebook group where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be high value women and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And if you would like some one-on-one coaching or group coaching, or would like to purchase my packages, please check out my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, and choose whichever that you like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Kisses from London. Mwah.